Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to automatically respond on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Now go ahead, tap on the two letters and request for a desktop website. Now give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL Mail account. Now you're gonna have to go ahead and swipe left and select settings from the top right corner and tap on more settings, then go to left side of the screen. Now there you can see options like personalized inbox, appearance, mailboxes, notifications, write in email, view in email, then finally vacation response. Tap on it. Now enable the vacation response. Now scroll a bit, go ahead and select the date, then compose your message and tap on save from the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you automatically respond mails on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.